How were we before we were shamed for the very first time? Before someone told us to shut up for the very first time? Before we experienced any loss, any holdback, any pain? The inner child is the part of ourselves that is vulnerable, sensitive, needy sometimes, almost always adorable, pure, sweet. It is the part of us that wants to take home every puppy and every kitten, that wants to finish the box of Oreos in one sitting, that can make an airplane out of a piece of paper, and can recognize the shape of a dragon in a cloud. I want you to imagine your inner child for a moment. How well are they taken care of? Are they fed? Are they clothed? Are they dirty? Has someone looked at them recently and played with them? Where are they? Are they in a closet? Are they crying? Are they asking for a hug? When we pay attention to our inner children, they become incredibly delightful. They fill our life with love and creativity. They are not afraid to love themselves. They are not afraid to recognize something beautiful about them. My inner child sometimes makes me go to Harris Teeter and give her a cake. And then she'll write, "Great job, Deanna, I love you," on it. And I let her. Sometimes she asks me to buy flowers for myself, and I do. And it feels really loving. So they'll teach us how to take care of ourselves. They'll teach us what's meaningful to us, what delights us. They will teach us how to eat ice cream and enjoy every single bite. See if you can make room for this relationship. And also see how much magic, how much fantasy, how much creativity, how much energy, how much joy, spontaneity, and humor start coming back into your life.